2019 Chevrolet Blazer Interior Review, bold design inside and out. Taking a closer look at the new 2019 Blazer's insides. Camaro-style air vents dominate the new 2019 Chevrolet Blazer's interior. It's the first thing you'll see when you step into the midsize two-row crossover's cabin, and it instantly distinguishes the Blazer from every other crossover Chevrolet offers. There's more to the interior than just big, circular air vents, however, keep reading to learn more about the new Chevrolet's insides. Camaro. The 2019 Blazer's HVAC controls and air vents appear as though they were ripped from a Camaro. It's a good look. Adjust the air temperature by turning the outside of the low-mounted central air vents left or right. One minor issue: taller drivers may find that the tops of the HVAC buttons, such as inside air circulation, the temperature readouts, and A/C controls, are slightly covered up by the protruding lip of the dash above. This could be good. Most Blazers will come with a cloud-connected infotainment system that can associate various settings to each key fob. So if your significant other has different audio and navigation presets and has logged into Chevy's integrated Spotify application, all of that info plus settings connected to collision detection systems and the auto-heated/ventilated seats are all associated with that key fob. And if you've got another new GM vehicle with the same tech, Chevrolet says you can log into that car's system to apply your settings. About that integrated Spotify system: if you set it up, your audio presets can be a mix of different types of audio, from a Spotify playlist to satellite and FM radio options. Spacious for people. The 2019 Blazer's rear seats feel spacious, and the backs of the front seats are soft. The drivetrain tunnel barely intrudes on foot space, meaning the occasional middle seat rear passenger will have a tad more room. The rear seat backrest recline functionality is also appreciated. Instead of having the control on the top of the seat as in some crossovers, a giant lever near the outboard passenger's thighs is more convenient. The seats also move forward and backward, though we're curious how often owners will actually use this feature. The Blazer loses people space points when it comes to rear seat headroom when the crossover is equipped with a panoramic sunroof. It won't be a problem unless your rear seat passengers are tall, but competitors surpass the Blazer in this respect. But not as much for their stuff. If you'd never seen the cargo space of other compact and midsize crossovers, you'd probably never realize that the 2019 Blazer's cargo area underperforms in its segment. The flashy Chevy's cargo measurements are actually within 1 cubic foot of the smaller Equinox's figures. Higher trims offer a cargo rail system that can separate your stuff, and the rail stores away under the cargo floor. While you're down there, appreciate the 2 underfloor cargo compartments. I've found similar spaces on my long-term 2019 Acura RDX very useful. Ooh, look at that! Mentioning a luxury crossover is more relevant than you might think, considering the Blazer's pricing tops out over $51,000 with all-wheel drive, or more than a loaded RDX with similar equipment. Go all out on a 2019 Blazer, and no, we're not including the crossover's $395 illuminated bowtie option, and the Chevrolet is well equipped. Except for the lack of auto brake hold and head-up display options, the Blazer comes with everything else you'd want at that price. That includes enormous 21-inch wheels, a panoramic sunroof, a surround view camera system, heated and ventilated front seats, and active safety tech. One of Chevrolet's more expensive trims is Premier, which eschews the R's sportier appeal for a more luxurious appearance. The available beige seats look great, and the suede microfiber trim will make some think, this is a Chevy. The piping on the dash and seats features an awesome red/white/blue detail that's easy to miss. Once you see it, though, it's the type of detail that will make an owner proud they splurged on the Premier model. Seeing red and black